Hello everybody. In this video, I'll be talking about my project on improving the Zelle interface. This is the Zelle interface, the home screen. In most banking apps, looks something along the lines of this screen. So when you first enter Zelle from your banking application, take into a Zelle interface, which is this screen. The three functions that I have added are on the top right, the share button, the tap button, and along the right side here, that is the edit recipient button next to each of the profile under the added recipients. The main focus of this project was the tap interface, but after evaluating, I decided to also add from the other two prototypes the share button and the edit recipient button because they're simple enough to be quickly added and would help others. Okay, so on the top right, the tap interface, when that button is clicked, we are taken to the screen, which I designed it using the ease and comfort. It's very simple, not much complication, and I include instructions for enter amount, where the user can enter the amount that they want to request from others. And once they have that figured out, they'll click on confirm, which will take them to the tap now interface. I added the tap now screen because it provides feedback to the user that their system is now in the state of receiving payment, and the others can now make a transaction with tap. And I added the back arrow, that way if the user wants to go back and change the amount, they can change it and click on confirm to begin their tap process once again. I added the back button in case user wants to cancel it or it's not ready yet, which will take them back to the home screen. Now the share button and all three buttons, the design and the location, follow the consistency principle. So these are usually where these functions are located across different applications, no matter what the application is. And the design of the icon itself are also consistent with the edit, share functions. The tap function is usually not in the application, so that did not follow the consistent principle necessarily. However, the design of the button did, so the user can easily see that it has something to do with tap, which most users are familiar with. In this second phase, it followed the principle of ease and comfort, as mentioned before. Also, it follows some principles of consistency. Many funds, you enter the amount and you have to confirm. Tap now, the icon itself, consistency, but the main focus of this was to provide feedback.